Hey there! Today, let's dive into a common problem faced by SwiftUI developers. In this scenario, we have a function called SumTask that includes a call to doBackgroundTask, which should ideally run the background to avoid blocking the main thread. However, upon debugging, we notice that doBackgroundTask is unexpectedly executing on a main thread, causing a potential performance issue. This is the problem we aim to solve in this video. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key to resolving this issue lies in the actor isolation rules of Swift. Since the code is within a view struct, the doBackgroundTask function inherits main actor isolation due to the view protocol. To move this task to a background thread as intended, we can simply add the nonisolated keyword before the function declaration. By doing so, we ensure that doBackgroundTask is no longer bound by the main actor rules and can execute in the background, resolving our problem successfully. This small tweak can make a big difference in optimizing the performance of our SwiftUI app. In summary, we tackled a common problem in SwiftUI development where a background task unexpectedly executed on the main thread, hampering the app's performance. By adding the nonisolated keyword to the doBackgroundTask function, we were able to correct this behavior and move the task to a background thread where it belongs. I hope this solution helps you optimize your SwiftUI apps and deliver a smoother user experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Remember, keeping your code running smoothly is the key to happy development.